Excited to have you here once again. This should be the second time this month for this press briefing. Just to showcase our achievements within the last 2 weeks. But for the month of time, I will not be able to highlight all the achievements we have made because as I will leave you now, I have another assignment to cover. And I said it's very pertinent that I get the brief across to you this time around before I go for the briefing. I haven't invited you. Within the last 2 weeks rather, we have made tremendous achievements in the command. And we have recovered some arms and ammunition and goods, word of note. And I believe it's very pertinent and let you be aware of it and showcase them to you. Well, first and foremost, I would like to let you know that these bags you are seeing here contains army or military camouflage, let me put it that way. I can see the large quantity of it that we have in there. This was intercepted by our operatives of the tactical team while they were trying to move this out from Lagos State. We got the information and we swung into action. The vehicle that was conveying this lorry that was conveying the sacks to, well, we don't know. All we know is that it's going through area like Lekki to Ekpe outside Lagos. I believe they are moving outside Lagos. There we got information and they were intercepted, and those who were carrying them were arrested. They are presently with us and they are investigating. Not only that, we have cartons of drugs, various types of drugs that were moving together with the sacks of clothes. That is a military camouflage. Well, the case is still under investigation and we are trying to unravel the brain behind all this. With time, we'll give you the update on that. Another word of note achievement is arrest of suspects from one particular, I don't want to mention the estate around Tijani where the occupants of that estate gave us an information that they are seeing strange faces in their community and they are not that comfortable with these faces. Our operative went into action again and the person behind the faces were arrested, and there we were able to recover 2 double-barrel guns and 6 locally made and single-barrel guns. We are still talking to the suspects. They are giving us useful information, and investigation into the matter is still on. Also, in a particular house on the island, we have the information that there are lots of foreign nationals within the occupying that kind of that particular building. There we went to action again and we were able to arrest 14 Chadians, 9 Burkinabes, 4 Beniners, 4 Malians, 2 Togolese, 2 Cameroonians and 1 Ghanaian. But of importance is that all these people that were arrested, they cannot give satisfactory account of themselves. In Nigeria, what they are doing in Nigeria, they cannot tell us particularly what they are doing in Nigeria. I think 12 of them has this ECUs passport with them, but they cannot give satisfactory account of themselves. All they could tell us is that they are into networking. What networking is all about, I don't know. So what exactly or precisely they are doing in Nigeria, which work they are doing, they could not tell us. So what we are doing is that we are providing them on our own. After we must have provided them, we are hoping to transfer them to immigration. We want to provide them and see whether we can squeeze out or elicit any criminal acts from them which they are into, and after which we now transfer them to the immigration for proper profiling. They are still with us in the state CID and they are still being under investigation. Also, we are able to arrest a syndicate of one chance. This syndicate, we are able to unravel that there is a particular brain behind this syndicate who is the person that is funding the syndicate. He will be the one that will rent a vehicle for them. They are in groups. That is his own modus of operation. He will rent vehicles for them, share them into areas where they are going to go and operate. And when they were arrested, they gave us the information that they have their godfather somewhere. We are on the trail of that godfather for now. We are still closing up on it, and in no time, distant time, I'm very sure we will get at it. But the suspects we have at hand are giving us useful information as to what and what they are doing. These are among all the other achievements we have made. Comprehensively, we have them. We are going to hand them over to you for you to be able to use them for your job. That is all I want to tell you now. But with time, when you have the full list of what we have achieved, we'll be able to get them out of them. We have the exhibits all over there, which you can see for yourself. And I think with this, the command is doing all they can do to ensure that they have received it. Thank you very much. Let me start with the first question. As to the arrest of these suspects carrying these military camouflage, I did for precisely Saturday night, and they were already moving out of Lagos before we intercepted them.
How many suspects?
From where?
Lost these in any ways.
We have about 4 suspects. About 4 suspects. I know those are not the only suspects. We are still closing up on other suspects that is linked to the matter. And as for the foreign nationals, they are not the ones that were circulating in the social media. These are new ones. And we've got information recently and went to it.
Okay. So does the interception of this military equipment pose any form of threat to Lagos in any way?
For me, it does not pose any form of threat to Lagos State. They are moving out of Lagos State, but we know with the trend of events in the country now, all over the areas where we have seen these bandits, we have seen them wear this uniform all over the place. Who knows what they want to do with this? Nobody can tell. So we are still investigating to get to the root of the matter for now.
Okay, so sir, because
were they able to tell you the destination of this camouflage?
Sir?
Were they able to tell you the destination of this?
Because it's actually like a major concern right now.
Somewhere
the
in
military.
the east. They gave us the destination somewhere in the east.
Somewhere in the east. But sir,
let me just take one. Let me.
Investigation is enough.
Whether they are not justified or not.
That's our advantage.
Illicit drugs, I'm sure the military are not aware of this. The work we have, all the sacks. I'm very sure the military will not carry their countrymen or their uniforms like this. And people are still there, moving them up to the east. Yeah. The last 2 weeks, all this were recovered from the estate we talk about, and some of them from all these suspects who are unlawfully in possession of all these arms. All these ones were recovered. All these were recovered in the last 2 weeks. This is the phone the phones that were recovered from all this one chance, the one chance, these phones were recovered from there. They are scooping, they are still tracking him down for now. So even this motorcycle was recovered too from one of the suspects. These are what we have been able to achieve. We have the full details on the comprehensive listing. The lorry, that is what we the military uniform and the drugs.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.